In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Docs alongside the Gemini TM AI Assist feature, creating a seamless blend between human creativity and artificial intelligence for any project you have in mind. First, let's dive into the very first step. Head over to Google Docs by navigating to the website. If you have your own Google account, you'll find this process quick and straightforward. Once you're there, you will see the usual layout with your most recent documents opened at the forefront, providing a neat view of everything you've been working on lately. Next, click on the Recent Documents section to access any documents you've recently interacted with. This space is designed for easy access, helping you locate and open whatever project you might need without any hassle. After you've chosen the document you want to work on, draw your attention to the system's menu bar at the top. Here, you're going to click on Extensions. This action is crucial as it opens up a range of options that transform your standard Google Docs use into something more robust. Once you've opened the Extensions tab, you'll spot the AI Assist for Gemini TM. This tool will empower you to create richer content more efficiently. Click on it once you've located it, as this extension will guide you through using artificial intelligence uniquely tailored for your document needs within Google Docs, Sheets, and Forms TM. As you click on Open, you'll see a new sidebar appear on your interface. The Gemini AI provides an array of capabilities outlined clearly in its sidebar. You'll want to start utilizing its features by clicking Help Me Write, which stands out with a sparkle icon for easy identification. This command is your gateway to unleashing the full writing potential AI can offer. Next up, type out a prompt. You could ask it to write a professional email introducing your business, or perhaps draft a blog post about healthy meal prep. These kinds of prompts let the AI know exactly what type of content you're aiming for. Once Gemini generates the text, review it and click Insert to add it directly into your document. This smooth transition saves time and effort, but the magic doesn't stop there. Refine your content with a few more clicks. Once the text has been inserted, you have several options. First, you can choose to recreate, which offers a new version of the text if you're looking for fresh variations. If you're satisfied with the overall message but need a slight tweak, you can refine to shorten, expand, formalize, or rephrase the content. Alternatively, you can opt to edit the text manually after it's been inserted, providing that personalized touch to your document. With this guide, you've successfully integrated Gemini AI Assist with Google Docs, opening doors to more productive and inventive document crafting.